Okay, success. I found this little, I call it a cage. I don't know what the right name is, but that's what it does. It goes over this thing. As you can see, there's a little bit of space in between. And basically what you're doing is securing this to the lid. So this would grab the edge of one of the doors. So let's do the demo here using the right lug for this cover. What you want to do is just push it through the opening, and then once you get it past that, this little cage fits over it. And the reason it has some space in between the cage and the latch itself is because it depends on the thickness of the cover you're installing it into. And so anyway, once you get it lined up properly, there's a threaded hole here, and then you have a corresponding hole in the cage itself, and then you just kind of tighten that, and that would keep this firmly in place and it wouldn't let go. And that's pretty much how it works. Of course, you need to have the plastic frame already in place, but that's again, this is just for demonstration purposes. So that's how this thing works. And of course I need another one, so I'll check eBay. I can probably make something. I'll see if they're cheap enough. I'll buy one. If not, I'll just fabricate something. I'll make take a strap of metal and make something that'll do the job. Okay, so before you tell me this looks like crap, just know that I'm aware of that. However, I think I saved a few bucks, and once this is in place, of course I had it lined up before, there it is. It will work fine, and it'll do whatever it's supposed to, kind of clasp that door and keep it in place. I'm going to give it a coat of paint, just like I'm going to do this one. And again, I'm just trying to save a few bucks. I have to deburr the hole here, and yeah, I don't have the equipment to do anything better than this, but it'll do the trick. So sometimes you just have to do the best you can with what you have. So I think that'll work just fine. Well, this thing was starting to feel like the never-ending project. So after trimming that retainer a couple of times, I got it to fit pretty well. I am not happy with those MDF doors. I think it's just a stupid system, and I do not care for them. But I have them, so I might as well use them. You will see them in another video. The finished product looks a lot better. I plugged those holes, and it looks a lot better. So again, I'm using what I have available. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.